Hello everyone and welcome to Gastronomize. Today we'll be having a look at a Swedish meat stew called kalops. We'll use some tough meat, some carrots and onion, some potatoes, some parsley, also some bay leaf and allspice. We also use obviously salt and pepper, but that will be added later based on your taste. But this is a recipe that is only cooked in a microwave, so keep up if you do not have a proper kitchen. Now we'll start with taking a glass bowl and filling it with meat. Remember, this glass bowl needs to be able to be microwaved, so it can take some high heats. Add the bay leaves and the allspice, and after that add the rest of the meat so that the bay leaf and allspice are placed in the middle and can give as much flavor as possible. After this, we want to put some water into our stew, just so that it covers the meat basically, so that it has something to boil in. Now add a lid to that and we'll be taking it away to the microwave as soon as possible. Let's go. Now we set the microwave to 400 watts and we let the meat go for about 20 minutes to begin with. While this is happening, we can take the potatoes and start pricking some holes in its skin. The reason why we do this is when we're going to microwave these potatoes, we want as much steam as possible to escape. This will also make sure that there is no pressure buildup in the potato itself. This will help the potato cook a little bit quicker. Now I'd suggest using some smaller potatoes. The ones that I'm using here is a little bit big, but it's up to your taste basically. It only lengthens the time they need to be in the microwave. After this, we're gonna chop up some fresh parsley, just roughly chop it. It doesn't have to be anything special about it really. We just want to make sure that it can give the flavors, release some of its juices, and be added and incorporated into the stew properly. Usually parsley isn't used for this kind of stew, but I like it myself, so I added it. Now after the microwave has dinged, we want to take out the meat stew, give it a little sniff. Oh yeah, that smells great. Now after this, we want to add our vegetables. So our carrots and onions are going straight into that stew. We want the carrots and onions to be covered in water as well, so we'd add a little bit more and stir it in. Now also here add some salt, a couple of pinches, quite a lot because the water will take up a lot. Also some fresh ground black pepper should be added. I also add cornstarch because this will help thicken the stew. Because we're not boiling it in the regular way, no steam is going to escape and the water amount will never release. Now add some parsley to this as well and cover with a lid, and it's going back into the microwave with the potatoes on the side. So let's get going. After another 50 minutes of cooking in the microwave, want to take it out, give it again a little sniff. It smells really good. Now we want to remove the allspice and all the bay leaf. Oh god, get over here, you little bastard. They are very slippery, so make sure that you get all of the allspice. These are not nice to chew on. But yeah, as mentioned before, remove the bay leaf as well. And now with the potatoes ready, we can start working on them. The potatoes we just want to take and chop in the middle and scoop out the innards, just the actual potato parts, and leave the skins. The skins can be used for a lot and it's unnecessary to just throw them away. My next video is actually going to bring up a recipe where we're going to be using these skins, so save them if you're going to be making it. You can do some nice stuff with that. Take out the meat stew. It is a little bit watery for me because I added a little bit too much water, but plate this with the potatoes and you will have a nice dish of stew to eat. Now, I hope you enjoyed the video. Remember to give it a like and comment down below what you thought of the dish. Would you make this at home? Do you think it's easier to cook with a microwave, or would you prefer it on a stove? I hope you liked it anyway. Remember to subscribe, hit that bell, and I will see you guys next time.